Welcome back to the Pit Stop Traveler. Today I'm going to show you making of a very popular dish in South India and it's called avial. Let's go to my kitchen and see making of avial. Ingredients used: 200 grams of elephant yam or chena, about 100 grams of vellarika or sambar cucumber, 1 raw banana, 1 carrot, 1 raw mango, 1 medium-sized drumstick, about 100 grams snake gourd, 1 green brinjal, jackfruit seeds, about 7 in numbers. Transfer all these vegetables into a pan. Now onto the mixie jar goes cumin seeds, about 5 green chilies and about 1 cup grated coconut. Now you have to coarsely grind it. Personally, I prefer these grated coconuts to be ground into a fine paste. Add water and grind it properly. Now onto these vegetables, I add some turmeric powder. Also gonna top it up with some water. Now we'll take these vegetables to a burner and cook it properly. I'm closing this with a lid. Keep stirring this content in between and check for the water level. Time to add the curry leaves. At this point, I'm gonna top it up with 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Well, it's now time to add some salt. Add salt as per your taste and keep stirring this in between. Well, I just tasted for the salt level. I'm gonna add some more salt and again giving it a good stir. At this point, our vegetables are properly cooked. Time to add the coconut that is blended with green chilies and cumin seeds. Now it's time to mix the entire content well. Allow it to get cooked properly in the coconut mixture that we just poured. At this point, you can also check for the salt level. If you feel that the salt is not enough, you can add some more salt onto it. You can't miss the awesome aroma that is coming from the dish. We will allow it to cook for some more time till the coconut mixture gets properly blended with the vegetables. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil. It really enhances the taste of the dish. Give it a good mix. Our avial is almost ready and has cooked to perfection. Now it's time to transfer our avial into another vessel. Avial goes very well with rice, so serve it along with rice as a side dish.